today I'm going to be making something different. This is a video for a little episode of a little baking cooking things. So today I'm going to be making a non-alcoholic fruit cocktail. So what I'm going to use is this fruit cup, but it's candy. I kept the cherries and I put the air of the fruit. I don't know. You don't want to know how it is. But we're going to add this to the fruits and then try it out. This is not something that you would expect somebody to do with your fruit cocktail. Now, I don't really know if fruit cocktails are actually really alcoholic. So, I added all the cherries. The rest is orange. This is a very short video because it basically did everything. Hold up. Let me get something like a spoon and then stir it up. You want to stir it up. Basically, stir it up. Alright, let's try it. Let's get a little bit of everything. Sweet snack and no, and I want a cherry and a cherry. This is really good. I'm not even lying. Maybe we should see for an extra temperature. Well, pretty much it. To me, this is really basic. It really is. Oh yeah, what is this? And I forgot to. This is not required. I have to get a picture. It's really basic. Well, he doesn't this one by. I just have to post a video. It's an amazing video.